If you want to change sound EQ on OnePlus 15R, then unfortunately it seems that there is no dedicated audio equalizer available on this phone. There is no built-in sound equalizer on this device. So if you want to actually get sound EQ, you just have to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to change EQ. So we can just search for something like Equalizer or something like that. And you should be able to find many different apps that of course should allow you to adjust the EQ on your phone. So let's say we're gonna use this app as an example, but feel free to try anything else, any other app, in case you don't like this one, or in case this one doesn't work for you. Simple as that. So we're gonna install this one and let's see how it works. Alright, once the app is installed, we're gonna open it. We can skip that. And there we go. We can turn on the EQ over here. We need to grant some permissions to be able to use it. There we go. We can tap on custom in here in order to find a bunch of different presets that we can go through if you want to use them. Or you can of course manually create your own custom preset. Now in here we can also find the bass boost option. We can adjust the loudness. We have the audio balance and virtualize over here. Also, here in the upper right corner we have settings, which might be useful to check out in order to find some additional options. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.